the action or business of promoting and selling the products. Okay, so marketing refers to activities a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product, service, or good. Like I said, consider a company, it is having products. Like a company is having product, so the efforts all the efforts which are indulged into the selling of that product is known as marketing. So we need to have a marketing plan to sell that product. Okay, and if you are having a service, if you are providing services, then that marketing plan to promote that service, it is known as marketing. Okay, so as you can see here, our marketing plan, so we have to do for the advertising also. Like I hope you have seen the advertisement on the different platforms, like digital platform and non-digital platforms also. Like you see advertisement on the newspaper. Okay, so it's a part of a marketing strategy. So a company uh, buys a space on the newspaper to market its company. So it is one kind of marketing. And second one is the branding. Okay, so company needs to brand its products. And publicity, in the marketing plan, we need mouth to mouth publicity. For the publicity, you need to create a good marketing plan. Okay, and pricing is also a very important factor in marketing plan, because the pricing decides whether your product is going to be selling or not. Okay, so pricing is also a very key factor in deciding the marketing plan. Okay, and next factor is strategy. So you need a good strategy for a marketing plan. Sales promotion, public relations, product placement, direct marketing, sales and research. This all is included into the marketing plan. So you need to have a good marketing plan by considering all these factors. Okay. So this is a broad idea about marketing. So marketing is nothing but all the activities, all the plan which we make to sell a product or to brand a product. Okay, so let's see different types of marketing. We have email marketing. By using emails, we can market our product or service. PR marketing, marketing through print media. Like I said, print media in the sense of newspaper. In the newspaper, we can buy a space and we can market our product. Marketing through electronic media, like we run our ad on TV. Like when we see the TV, different ads came up. So these are the marketing ads. This company pays a lot of money to market their ads. Types of marketing strategy includes word of mouth publicity. So there is a marketing strategy in which word to word, mouth to mouth publicity of the product or a service takes place. That is known as mouth publicity. Relationship marketing. So if I'm having a good relationship with other peoples, so I can use that relationship to give a service or to brand a product. So the relationship marketing is also a type of marketing strategy. Transactional marketing strategy. The next came up digital marketing, which we are going to see here. Digital marketing. Now see what is meant by digital marketing. So digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Digital marketing is nothing but it is a method, okay, method to market a product or service by using digital media. We use computer, laptop, mobile phones. These are the digital medias, and on by using these digital media, we market this product or services on other platforms. Okay, like social media, like Google. So nowadays everything is going digital. This era is known as digital era, and now everything is came up with everything internet and Facebook and Instagram, social media, everything is booming right now. So this era is known as a digital era. So we and every company is switching into the digital marketing. So the people are reaching more and more into the internet. So even in the remote areas also, most of the people are using internet and searching everything on the Google. So the companies can utilize that method to promote their products and services on the internet. So digital marketing is nothing but it is a method of marketing that use make use of internet by using computer, laptop, and mobile to promote their services or products. Okay, it is as simple as it is. And digital marketing comprises all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or internet. Okay, so we use electronic device and internet. Business leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. So what we make use of internet with the mobile phone and computer or laptop. By using computer, laptop, mobile phone with the internet on it, we make use of digital channels. So what are the digital channels? Such as Google. Google is a search engine. Okay. Yahoo is a search engine. Bing is a search engine. So these digital channels, with the help of these digital channels and social media also, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. Then next, what is email marketing? Like we oftenly use Gmail. Okay, and when you open the Gmail, you might have seen ads, first two ads on the Gmail. So it is a part of a digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is marketing efforts that makes by using electronic devices with the help of internet on the digital platforms. Digital platforms are search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, emails, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Okay, now see what are the different modules in the digital marketing. So in digital marketing, we have first of all here SEO. So what is mean by SEO? The full form for SEO is search engine optimization. Like I said earlier, we by using digital marketing, we make use of search engines like Google. So Google is a search engine. So SEO is a part of search engine optimization. So we make use of SEO in the digital marketing. Then social media marketing. Social media is like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We make use of these in the digital marketing. Then next in the digital marketing we have email marketing. We make use of emails to market our product or service. Then we make a Google Analytics. We make use of Google Analytics in the digital marketing. We are going to see all these in very details. Okay, so Google Analytics is nothing but it is a tool. It's a tool to analyze the your marketing campaigns. Okay, so in future we are going to make marketing campaigns for which this Google Analytics what it do, it analyzes that marketing campaigns. Okay, the next is the website enhancement. So what is mean by website enhancement? It is simply creation of website, or if your website is existing, so it has to enhance its all the factors which are very important in digital marketing. So we are going to study about the SEO, social media, email marketing, Google Analytics, website enhancement, and also about the content writing. So content writing is very much important. Right now it is said that content is the king. Okay. So what is mean by content? As you might have seen on the different websites, so many content is written. So you just cannot copy and paste it from anywhere. There are some Google laws and recommendations and different kinds of rules you have to follow to write that content. So that content writing and content optimization we are going to see in detail in upcoming lectures. And next is the Google AdWords. So Google AdWords is a part of it's a tool of Google also. So in with the help of Google AdWords, you can monetize your website. Like you might have seen while watching the YouTube videos, some ads came up. So how to optimize that ad and how to do all these ad related activities we are going to see in this Google AdWords section. So these are the basic and fundamental factors which we are going to see in the digital marketing course. Actually, we are going to see 29 modules. Okay, 29 to 30 modules. These are the very basic points for our introductory purpose. So first one is the SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. Second one is social media marketing. We use different social medias to market our service or product. Next is the email marketing. So we make use of emails to market our product. The next is the Google Analytics. We are going to study the detail about the Google Analytics. So it is nothing but a tool to analyze the our marketing campaigns and website creation and its enhancement. So we are going to use you can see this symbol W. It stands for WordPress. So WordPress is a tool on which we are going to make a website, and I will show how to make a website, a fully functional website, how to buy the domain and how to host the website in this website enhancement. And on this content, we are going to see the content writing, how to write a good and fresh unique content which does not have any kind of plagiarism. And I will show you how to calculate the plagiarism also, and what is mean by plagiarism we are going to see in that in detail. And last but not least, the Google AdWords. So all these things are uh, covered in the modules of digital marketing. Now let's see what is uh, some basic points regarding digital marketing. So digital marketing revolves around these 5 Ds. These are the 5 Ds of digital marketing. So first D is digital devices. We make use of digital devices for in the digital marketing, and we make use of digital platforms. Okay, so we do where we do digital marketing on the digital platforms. And what we do, we make use of digital media. Okay, okay, we make use of digital media. And what we do with that digital media, we make digital data. So the fourth D of the digital marketing is the digital data. And what technology we use? We use digital technology. So if someone asks you what are the 5 Ds of the digital marketing, then you should say that first is the digital devices. Digital devices in terms of laptop, computer, mobile phones. Second D is the digital platforms.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल.
आवाज नहीं यार.
बहुत कम आवाज आ रही है.
Okay. Am I audible right now? Am I audible right now? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay, guys, am I audible
Okay.
right now? Yeah.
Yes,
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 sir.
perfect,
Yes, sir.
perfect, perfect.
Perfect, audible, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. Okay, let's continue. So you are seeing
So this
my
is our
screen?
second. Sir, this is our second lecture, right?
No, no, this is first lecture.
We
This is
had a
first
lecture
lecture.
just a
It is
week, weekday before.
no, no. It is an introductory lecture. This is
Yeah,
our first lecture.
got it. Sir. Fine.
Okay. Okay. Now see, we were discussing about the 5 Ds of the digital marketing, right? So the first is the digital device, digital devices. Okay, digital devices like laptop, computers, mobile phones. Okay, digital platforms. What are the digital platforms? Digital platforms are like Google, Facebook, okay, LinkedIn, social medias, and search engines. Okay, then third one is the digital medias. We make use of digital media, and we make use of digital data, and we make use of digital technology for the digital marketing. Okay, so by using digital marketing, you can reach an enormous audience in a way that is both cost effective and measurable. So the uh, most important point for the digital marketing is it is very cheap. It is very cheap. It is the cheapest marketing method that we have so far. And apart from the cost, it is measurable. You can measure how your campaign has been running and what are the ROIs. Sorry, what are the ROIs? ROIs is nothing but return on investment. So how much you have invested and how much you have got for the return, that you can measure it. So apart from the digital marketing, in traditional method of marketing, you cannot measure your marketing campaign. But in the digital marketing campaign, you can measure your campaign. Okay. So the other benefits of online marketing include the ability to interact with your prospects and learn exactly what they are looking for. I will explain this in detail. The ability to reach a global marketplace. So if you are residing in India, okay, and you want to do a digital marketing for a company which is located in the USA, and their potential customers are from the USA, then it is very much possible to do that. So if you are having a market in the India and you want to attract the customers from the America, then you can also do that. So by using the digital marketing, you can reach any part of the world and brand your product and give services. Okay. So by using digital marketing, you can market your product, and you can work for, if you are working, if you want to work in the digital marketing field, you can work for any company. For example, if a company is in Australia and they want to hire you, then it is possible in the digital marketing that you can work for an Australian company. Okay, but it is not possible in the traditional marketing. In the traditional marketing, you have to go to Australia. Okay, so in the digital marketing, you need to go to Australia. You can sit in your home with your laptop or with your internet. You can do digital marketing for Australian company also. Okay, so this is a very good advantage for the digital marketing. Okay, so now let's see what is the scope of digital marketing. The main advantage of digital marketing is right now is the massive job opportunities. If you see, if you open the Naukri portal, if you open the Indeed portal, if you open the Monster portal, if you open any job portal, you can see massive jobs right now. In this century, this century is known as a digital century. Okay, so in this digital century, the job opportunities for digital marketers are much higher than any kind of other jobs. So jobs are job opportunities are very much larger for the digital marketers. Flexibility. Second is the flexibility. So what is mean by flexibility? Like right now, I am sitting here, and sorry, just give me a minute. Like right now, I am sitting in my home and giving you a lecture about digital marketing. So this is a flexibility. So the job for the digital marketing is very flexible because you can start work from home. Okay, so most of the work is from work from home, and you need not go to your office often sometimes, and you can start your work. And the second point in the flexibility comes that by using digital marketing, if you are a freelancer, then you can work also. Okay, then third one is the higher paid profiles. So in the digital marketing, the salaries are very high. After the completion of this course, you will definitely get a good job. If your concepts are clear, you have done some good projects, and you have completed all the basic aspects of the digital marketing, then definitely you are going to get a good salary. So the salaries of the digital marketers are very high, and these jobs are going to last for longer time. Okay, because now our market is going international. Okay, so Indian market is reaching international aspects. So the demand of the digital marketing is going increasing day by day and night. Okay, so you will get a higher paid job. Then next point for the scope in the digital marketing is, if you are having your own business, then you can boost your business by using these digital marketing aspects. For example, if you are having a shop which sells shoes, okay, if you own, or your father or your mother, if your family owns a business, okay, for example a shoes shop, so you can use these digital marketing techniques to increase the business of yourself. Okay, so apart from the job, you are using your skills, your digital marketing skills, your digital marketing knowledge into your own business and increase the revenue of that business. So business, by using digital marketing techniques, you increase your business, your own business. And if you don't have any business of your own, then you can start your own business. If you like, you have completed this digital marketing course from the IIM India, and you don't want to do any kind of job, so you can start your own business also. So this require very less amount of investment. So by saying investment, I am saying very less investment, like from 10,000 to 20,000. And for starting a business, 10,000, 20,000 amount is not considerable amount. So by with the amount of 10 and 20,000, you can start your own business also. But you have to use all these digital marketing techniques perfectly. Okay, so what is the scope of digital marketing? You can get job very easily because there are lot of opportunities for right now for the digital marketers in market. Second is the flexibility. So jobs are very flexible. You can start from work from home also. You can take freelance projects also. I will in future I will tell you how to take freelance projects and how to start work from home also, apart from your job or apart from your business. And third advantage is that you will get a high paid salary. So the salaries are very high for the digital marketers. Even for the freshers, even for the starters, these salaries are very much higher. It is higher than the salaries of engineers. As I am also engineer, I am doing my PhD. But what I see in the market is that digital marketers are more demandable than the engineers and MBA professionals. Okay, and the next advantage for the digital marketing is you can start your own business with the help of digital marketing, or if you are having a business, then you can boost that business and increase the revenue of that business. And if you want to uh, do like this business, you can start your own business and increase the revenue. Then let's see who can learn digital marketing. So basically anyone can learn digital marketing. There is no such limit to learn digital marketing. There is no requirement to learn digital marketing. You don't need any kind of certificate for digital marketing. But in the market, the companies require some certificate for giving the job. Like if you are 12 pass, you can do digital marketing and get a good job in the market. For the minimum criteria for the digital marketing is the graduate. You go on the Naukri portal and see any digital marketing job. The basic requirement is a graduate. So that graduate can be engineer, doctor, MBAs, from the arts background, from the commerce background. Okay, so that graduate can be from any stream. There is no limit in that. So any graduate can do digital marketing course. Okay, so after doing digital marketing, you will get a good job. And if you are postgraduate, that is well and good. And if you are doing doctorate like PhD, then you can also do digital marketing. Digital marketing can also be done with, by the engineers, by the MBA professionals, arts background professionals, and the commerce background professionals. So these are the people who can do digital marketing. So there is no age limit in the digital marketing. There is no, certifications in the basic certification required to do the digital marketing. But after the digital marketing course, you will definitely get a good high paid salary. So what we have seen, let's revise once again. What is mean by marketing? The action of business of promoting and selling products or services. Okay, so marketing is nothing but it is a method to sell and promote the products or services. So we have to make a good marketing plan to do that. So this marketing plan includes publicity, pricing, strategy, sales promotion, public relations, product placement, direct marketing, sales, research, advertising, and branding. So this is a traditional kind of marketing. So these are the different types of marketing. Okay, email marketing, PR marketing, through print media, electronic media, mouth-to-mouth publicity, relationship marketing, transactional marketing, and digital marketing. So we are interested in this digital marketing. Okay, so let's revise what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is nothing but use of internet and digital medias, okay, to promote the services or products on the digital platforms. Okay, so digital platforms are the search engines, social medias. Okay, then what we have seen next? What are the modules in the digital marketing? The digital marketing includes Google AdWords, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, Google Analytics, website development and enhancement, and we are going to see with the help of WordPress. So you will be having your own website. You will be able to, after completion of this course, you will be able to make your own website, and I will show how to optimize it and how to get this website on the #1 position. Then next is the content marketing, how to write the content, fresh and unique content, and there is and Google AdWords. So let's see, in this digital marketing, there is a separate portion for the SEO. Like you will be a SEO analyst. If you know SEO, if you know SEO good and well, and if you don't know these things, okay, so you will be a you will get a job definitely. Then you will be called as SEO analyst. But you should have knowledge of all these things, because digital marketing is incomplete without any of it. If you skip one part, if you skip SEO or you skip any one of it, then then it will, then it will you will not be a good digital marketer. So now see, brief introduction about digital marketing. Okay, guys, just give me a minute. Okay. Then the 5 Ds of digital marketing. The first one is the digital devices. So we make use of the digital devices for the digital marketing. Then next is the digital platforms. We make digital marketing on the digital platforms. And we make use of digital medias by writing the digital data and by using the digital data and on the digital technologies. Okay. And this is the very important point. By using digital marketing, you can reach an enormous audience in a way that it is both cost effective and measurable. Consider I want to reach to whole American people. Like I am doing a campaign or I am doing a branding of a product or service, and I want it to see everybody who is living in America. So that is possible in the digital marketing. And if I'm running an ad and I want to see this ad, I want to show this ad to the entire people of China. So this is possible in the digital marketing. Okay, so you can have an enormous audience. You can show to a large group of people with the help of digital marketing. So other benefits of the digital marketing include the ability to interact with your prospects and learn exactly what they are looking for. For example, if for example consider you are selling ladies purses. Okay, if you are selling ladies purse and you want people who are looking for ladies purse, then it is possible in the digital marketing that you run a campaign. With that campaign or that ad is only seen by the people who are searching for the ladies purse only. So it is, very prospects and interactive method. Okay, and it is very cost effective and measurable also. Okay, so you can reach the people who are looking for your product. If you are having a product like if you are having a shoes as a product, then you can reach to those people who are looking for shoes. It is very simple, and you can reach to a global marketplace also. Then next is scope of digital marketing. Like I said, right now we have a massive job openings for the digital marketers. Flexibility. This course is 1.5 months or maybe 2 months. Then after this 1.5 month, you will be a good digital marketer and you will get a good high paid salary. The next is the flexibility. Then this job is very flexible. Okay, you can work from home also. You can work as a freelancer also. You can start your own business also. If you are having your own business, then you can increase that business also. Okay, and who can learn? This is a very straightforward question. Anyone can learn digital marketing. There is no requirement, there is no prerequisite requirement to learn the digital marketing. Okay, okay, guys, understood? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the introductory part of the digital marketing. So if you are having any question, you can start to ask one by one. if you have any questions, any doubts, or anything you want to ask, you can ask.
Sir, Manish here. Sir, I want to know whether like today you're giving me lecture, so can I